What's going on, guys? Eason, welcome back to my video. Today we're going to be getting into topic 2.8 for AP Comparative Government and Politics, which is on the judicial systems for our 6 course countries. Judiciaries in course countries have different functions and use various methods to appoint judges to interpret and apply laws and resolve disputes. So that's the function of the courts. In China, rule by law instead of rule of law means the judicial system is subservient to the decisions of the Chinese Communist Party. They do what they are told by this party, and the Communist Party controls most judicial appointments. Rule by law is where the law is used for government's favor or gain, not really to protect the people. With the rule of law, everyone is protected and the government can't get away with just stuff for their own gain. Their court system has 4 levels: grassroots courts, which are at the local level, intermediate people's courts, higher people's courts, and the Supreme Court. All of these courts are controlled by the Communist Party, of course. The Mexican judiciary is in transition. The Supreme Court has the power of judicial review, and subsequent constitutional amendments have been implemented with the intent to make the system more effective and independent. Judicial review is just where laws can be deemed unconstitutional. In Mexico, Supreme Court magistrates are nominated by the president and approved by the Senate for a term of 15 years. A magistrate usually deals with minor crimes and has less power and jurisdiction in the judiciary. There's a tiered court system, with the Supreme Court, of course, at the highest, and it goes down to district courts and circuit courts, which see general jurisdiction cases and criminal hearings. The Nigerian judiciary, created by the 1999 Constitution, has the power of judicial review, and an effort has been made to reestablish its legitimacy and independence by reducing corruption under the system of federalism, where we learned in the last unit there's shared power between the central and local governments. We can find federalism in the courts because we see state courts, Court of Appeals, and the Supreme Court. Islamic Sharia courts have been established in the north because there's high amounts of Islam there. Christianity and other religions have been found in the south. In Nigeria, Supreme Court judges are recommended by a judicial council and are appointed by the president with confirmation by the Senate. Russia's government uses the judicial system to target opposition, and although constitutionally the courts have been the power of judicial review, this power has not been used to limit the authority of the governing branches. In Russia, judges are nominated by the president and approved by the Federation Council. More and more people under the United Russia Party, the dominant political party in Russia. The Iranian judiciary major function is to ensure the legal system is based off religious law, so judges must be trained in Islamic Sharia law. The head of the judiciary is appointed by the supreme leader and can nominate half of the Guardian Council with approval by the Majlis. This head is called the Chief Justice. The 1979 Constitution of Iran says the courts are to be an independent power. Each branch of a court has a justice, judge, and magistrate. The United Kingdom's judicial system isn't really unified and uses common law to enforce the rule of law. Common law is a judge-declared law, which is where laws are created and applied to different people on a case-by-case basis because of legal precedents. Major functions of the Supreme Court included serving as the final court of appeals, protecting human civil rights and liberties, and ruling on devolution disputes, because we see a lot of devolution in the United Kingdom. And that's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. It's free. It really does help me out. In the next video, we're going to talk about the independence of these courts. Go subscribe and like. It's free. It really does help me out. I'll see you guys in the next video. Adios.